Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds contains more omega-3 fatty acids than an entire serving of salmon? That's right. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch, making them one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3s on the planet. Flax seeds might look unassuming, but they are truly a nutritional powerhouse that you'll want to make a staple in your diet. Today, we're diving into the world of flax seeds, a surprising superfood you probably didn't know you needed. With their impressive nutritional profile, flax seeds offer a range of health benefits that can support your body in ways you might not expect. Whether you're looking to boost your heart health, improve your digestion, or simply get more essential nutrients from plant-based sources, flax seeds have you covered. In modern diets, finding reliable plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids can be a real challenge. While fish is often touted as the go-to, not everyone consumes seafood, whether due to dietary preferences, allergies, or ethical reasons. That's where flax seeds come in. They offer a potent dose of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy cells and fighting inflammation. Adding flax seeds to your meals can help bridge the gap for those seeking plant-based alternatives without compromising on nutrition. Another common dietary hurdle is maintaining good gut health. Many of us don't get enough dietary fiber, which is essential for smooth digestion, regularity, and even maintaining a healthy weight. Flax seeds are a fantastic source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to promote digestive health. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation and keeping your digestive system running smoothly. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's take a closer look at what makes flax seeds a true superfood. For starters, flax seeds are loaded with lignans, powerful plant compounds that have antioxidant and estrogen-like properties. In fact, flax seeds contain up to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods. Lignans can help reduce the risk of certain cancers, especially breast and prostate cancer, by balancing hormone levels and combating oxidative stress in the body. Heart health is another area where flax seeds truly shine. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans works synergistically to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease inflammation, 3 key factors in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Studies have shown that regular consumption of flax seeds can help reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. This means your arteries stay clearer, your blood pressure stays lower, and your heart stays protected. If you're interested in managing your weight, flax seeds can be a helpful ally. Thanks to their high fiber content, they help you feel fuller for longer, curbing those pesky hunger cravings that can lead to overeating. The healthy fats in flax seeds also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that often lead to unhealthy snacking. By adding flax seeds to your breakfast, smoothie, or salad, you're taking a simple step towards more mindful eating and improved weight management. Now, here's a surprising benefit of flax seeds that many people don't know about: their impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and even depression. Flax seeds contain unique compounds that help modulate the body's inflammatory response, reducing the risk of these chronic conditions. In fact, some studies suggest that flax seeds can be particularly beneficial for people with autoimmune disorders or inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, helping to ease symptoms and support overall wellness. But how can you easily incorporate flax seeds into your daily routine? The answer is with remarkable versatility. Flax seeds can be enjoyed whole, but grinding them makes their nutrients more accessible to your body. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over your morning oatmeal or yogurt for an instant boost. Add them to smoothies for extra thickness and nutrition. Mix them into homemade baked goods like muffins, pancakes, or bread. You can even use flax seeds as an egg substitute in vegan recipes. Just mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Flaxseed oil is another fantastic option. Drizzle it over salads or blend it into dressings for a nutty flavor and a healthy dose of omega-3s. Just remember, flaxseed oil is sensitive to heat, so it's best used in cold dishes to preserve its nutritional value. To recap, flax seeds are a true nutritional gem. They're one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, providing essential support for heart health and reducing inflammation. Their high fiber content promotes digestive regularity and helps with weight management, while their abundant lignans offer powerful antioxidant and hormone-balancing benefits. And with their versatility in the kitchen, there's no reason not to start enjoying the health-boosting goodness of flax seeds today. If you're ready to take your nutrition to the next level, give flax seeds a try. Start small by adding a spoonful to your favorite meals and see how easy it is to boost your health one meal at a time. Your heart, your gut, and your overall well-being will thank you. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about simple, science-backed ways to elevate your health, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're here to help you make informed choices and discover the power of everyday superfoods like flax seeds. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a healthier, happier you.